This simple adult coloring book has made almost $100,000 in profit passively. In this video, I'll teach you guys how you can easily create a similar book that can be published on Amazon KDP only using Midjourney and Canva. And that's not all. Throughout this video, I've added 12 random numbers, and whoever manages to write these numbers in order can open a password-protected zip file containing a ready-to-publish Amazon coloring book along with a high-quality cover. This video will also contain a lot of valuable information, such as the exact prompts used to create the illustrations, making sure you have the right PDF file size to get accepted onto the Amazon KDP, and much more. So make sure to stay until the end of the video. Okay, so now to generate the images, I'm using Midjourney. You can use Leonardo AI as well, but that takes around 24 hours to sign up and get it all sorted out. So here I used this prompt, adult Mandela coloring book, peacock, and some information. And I got this prompt by using Midjourney itself. I typed /describe, and then I went down and searched for Mandela coloring book, and I searched for peacock. And here, if you're not trying to do any adult coloring book, you can use photo designs as well. You can take this image and save it in your computer, and then simply drag this over here, and you can get the prompts used to generate the image. So I'll leave this prompt in the description, and what you want to do is take this prompt and copy that. And once you have one image generated, what you're going to do is go ahead and use this again. And instead of peacock, you're going to type in, let's say, example, tiger, and let's just let that run. Okay, so now that we have 4 images to use, you can go ahead and click on this window here. And there's nice 4 designs you can choose from, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the first one over here because it looks like something that can be colored really well on. I'm going to go ahead and press upscale 1, and you're going to keep repeating this with different animals like maybe fox or a squirrel eating a nut. You can keep repeating this and then add around 50 pages to create the whole book. So there we go, we have our image right here. You're going to go ahead and choose this, and you're going to right click and save the image in a folder. Do this continuously for around 50 images, and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so I just generated around 21 images, and the only reason I generated 21 images is because I'll be actually sharing this book with you guys, like I mentioned earlier in the video. So this book is something that someone can find by the random numbers I put throughout this video. So here I've generated 21 images, and as you can see, it's pretty low resolution, and when you're trying to zoom it in, it starts getting pixelated, and obviously this is not good, because when you're putting something onto Amazon books, we need to be like crisp and clear, otherwise people won't be buying our books. So to fix this issue, what I've done is I found this website called bigjpeg.com, and with this image, you can enhance the images for free with like around 4 times quality, and you can do 10 images at a time. So what you're going to do is, after you have your 50 images, you're going to go ahead and choose 10 at a time. So I'm going to do this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm going to do this and just drag and drop this over here. And what you're going to do is you're going to press start. And here I just choose 4 times, and noise reduction, make sure to choose the highest, and make sure to press enlarge all images below because you don't want to do this individually for each image, and press that. And now I'm just going to let this run. I'm going to do this for all the images, and I'll just come back later. Okay, so I just completed the first batch of images, and these are the second batch of images. So I'm just going to go ahead and press download all over here. And make sure to do this for each time you do the 10 images. So I'm just going to let this download. And here you can see there's a zip file. So when you do 50 images in total, you're going to have 5 zip files. So what you're going to do is open the downloads folder over here. And let me just close this. Yeah, okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to press the file over here and press extract all over here. And just press extract. And do the same thing for this one. Press extract all. Okay, so now you have both the folders extracted. What you're going to do is go to any folder. Do this for all the 5 different folders you have, because you guys may be having around 50 images. Just go ahead and choose all these images. Choose copy or cut, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to choose copy here. And go to the next folder and simply paste it. And there we go. So I have 21 images here, and obviously the final book you guys will have around 50 pages. And if I just go ahead and open this image here, you can see it's enhanced really big, and if I zoom in, it's to maintain its details and it looks really clear. Okay, so we're almost there. All we need to do is design the interior pages and the cover itself, which should take no more than 10 minutes. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and create design over here, and I'm going to press custom size, and what you can do is press width and height. You can choose inches over here, And here we're going to make a 8.5 by 11 inch book, which is the standard Amazon book, which sells really well. I'm going to go ahead and press create new design, and let me just wait for that to load up. And once you're here, you're going to go ahead and go back to your folder where you have all the images. I'm just going to go ahead and upload the first one over here. And now once it's done, I'm just going to go ahead and take this and put it over here. And make sure not to cover the whole page. You're going to want to do is zoom in and center it, obviously. And there we go. The first page is ready. And what you're going to do is you're going to repeat this for all the other 49 images left, which you generate with Midjourney. So do the same thing. Take the hippo, the horse, and the owl, and do this until you have all the 50 things here. I'll just do that really quick here. So I just finished designing all the 21 pages of the color book, and I'm going to go ahead and download this. So I'm going to go press share over here on the top right corner and press download, and change the file type from PNG to PDF print. And then you can go ahead and press download. And that's it. We're done with the interior pages of the book. And now finally, we're on our last step, and we're going to design the book cover for our coloring book. And here I put this website over here, kdpamazon.com. I'll leave this link in the description, and I put these configurations for our book, and I went ahead and downloaded the book. I'll leave the zip file of the template in the link in the description as well. And I'm going to go over here to library, and you can see there's a PDF and a PNG file for the book cover template. And I open this file, the PNG. You can see that we have our dimensions here, overall dimension, which is 17.363 by 11.25. So what we're going to do is remember both these numbers, because we're going to go head back over here and go to Canva. Press create a new design. And what you're going to do is custom size again. Change the pixels to inches and type in 17.363 and 11.250. Then go ahead and press create a new design, and over here, and just drag and drop this over here, and there we go. Just put this in the corner and zoom in. Okay, so now after that's done, what you're going to do is go over here to elements, press on elements, and search for shapes. Take the square over here and drop it here, and change the color to whatever you want your book cover to look like. And for the book cover, we can't make it using AI. I mean, we can make the main design with the help of Midjourney, but the other elements such as the text, like adult coloring book with 50 designs, you have to write that on your own. So what you're going to do is come over to Midjourney and use this prompt, which I'll provide in the description. Choose an image which looks good, and just right click and press save image. Then what you're going to do is come back to this cover over here and change this color to black. So this is the back of the cover. I'm just going to keep a simple black one, but you can go ahead and design a really good one. And just to make sure, when you make the back cover, just take this and cover this part slightly. Just leave the blue lines to the left. Make sure that stays. And that's it. And now I'll just come back after designing the front cover real soon. So I just finished making the book cover, and this is how it looks. It's a pretty simple design. And if you made this far in the video, I'm sure you found all the 12 numbers to go ahead and download this book cover with all the 50 pages linked below. So what you're going to do is, if you're making your own book, you can just go ahead and press here, download, and press this button here, and change this to PDF. And make sure to just go ahead and hit the download button. And that's it. So congrats, that's all. You've made your first book that can be published on Amazon. So now, unfortunately, this video is a bit too long, so I'll be making a new video on how to sign up on Amazon KDP and actually get your book published. Thank you for watching.